Welcome. Today, we're going to discuss how to prevent message requests from others on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you're looking to maintain a more private and controlled Instagram experience, these steps will guide you through the process. First, you need to open Instagram on your computer. Simply navigate to the Instagram website and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon on the left side of the menu. This icon typically looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on it to reveal additional options. After clicking the More icon, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram account. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Message and Story Replies. This section allows you to manage how others can interact with you through messages and story replies. Next, navigate to Message Controls. Here you'll see different options regarding who can send you messages. Look for the section labeled Others on Instagram. This is crucial for controlling unsolicited messages. To prevent receiving requests from people you don't know, select the option that says Don't Receive Requests. By following these steps, you can effectively stop unknown users from sending you message requests on Instagram. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to avoid distractions from strangers or unwanted interactions. In summary, here's a quick recap of the steps. 1. Open Instagram on your PC. 2. Click on the More icon located in the left side menu. 3. Select Settings and then enter Message and Story Replies. 4. Go to Message Controls. 5. Under Others on Instagram, choose Don't Receive Requests. Implementing these changes will help create a more enjoyable Instagram experience by minimizing unwanted communication. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it as well. Happy Instagramming!